The first time I heard I had cancer was gut-wrenching. I heard it over the phone. I was by myself. I was waiting on the phone call. I knew it was coming. And all I could do was think about my kids. My mind went to the worst place, that I wasn't going to make it. And they would be left without their mom. And although they have a wonderful dad, but I just thought, I'm not going to see them graduate. I'm not going to see them get married. They're going to be scared. I have done yearly mammograms since 40, and I'm 52 right now. And I, did the annual checkups every year and all. And I had a mammogram in October, and then in January, the very 1st of January, I just happened to feel a lump. A few days after that, I got the call, the dreaded call. And I got a call on January 20th, 2017. Never will forget that day, that it was cancer. Going through chemo was very scary at first. The first 4 treatments I had were what they call the devil's juice. It's red and it's horrible. But, go home after that and you start feeling bad for a couple of days. And then you come out of it. And after that, I went to a step down of 12 other treatments that were not as bad, and I did those weekly. It was amazing how much this community prayed for me. I mean, there were many churches that were praying for me. Friends were cooking meals for us. And it was really hard for me to accept that at first, because I'm not one that I guess likes to be waited on. But oh my gosh, how grateful we were for that. I'm the first. And mine was fed by estrogen. I guess, I'm not gonna say the luck of the draw, but bad luck. I just prayed. I prayed a lot. In fact, my faith really got stronger throughout all of this. I was diagnosed with breast cancer January 2017, and I finished treatment November of 2017. My name is Monica Clement, and this is my story.